Hi everyone, my name is Blessing Adesiji and I'm Devra at Seco. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through a workshop as you prepare to build for the hackathon named AI Agent on Arc with USDC. So in this video, we're going to be talking about what you need to know to be able to effectively build applications for this hackathon, and also kind of like the primitives that you need to understand to be able to build a solid application for this hackathon. So I'll cover the challenge details, the challenge information, the prizes, the technology, and also where you can find resources as you build for this hackathon. So without wasting so much time, let me get right into it. So the AI Agent on Arc hackathon with USDC, it's a hybrid hackathon that is powered by Arc. And if you're not familiar, Arc is our open layer 1 blockchain, and you as developer, you are expected to build next generation of application using AI and Arc with USDC. So you can think of things from DeFi to digital content to real world asset use cases. All these use cases that would shape the future of intelligent finance is what you're expected to build during this hackathon. And this hackathon will take place from October 27th to November 9th, as at the time that you're watching this video. So I'll go back to the slide to start talking about the details. So Arc is the foundational layer of the Circle full stack platform that you're expected to build with during this hackathon. As you can kind of see on my screen, these are the primitives that you would use to build on Arc for this hackathon. So I'll touch on wallets, CCTP and gateway, and also the stablecoin that you'd work with in this hackathon, which is USDC. And as you can see underneath, the blockchain infrastructure that you're working with during this hackathon is Arc. And all these developer services products that I mentioned, they are being supported on Arc, and you're expected to build with during this hackathon. Starting with USDC. USDC is the world's largest regulated stablecoin. As of June 30, 2025, we have 600 million plus end users able to access USDC. And also, as of September 1st, 2025, we have $3.1 trillion monthly transaction volume as for August 2025 alone. So you can see the power of USDC. You can see that USDC is the world's largest regulated stablecoin, and you're going to be building applications for this hackathon using USDC. To build these applications, you need some primitives. You need wallet, you need cross-chain infrastructure, you also need unified balance infrastructure, which is known as gateway, and I'll be talking about that shortly. Starting with wallet. For this hackathon, you'll be working with the dev-controlled wallet. And dev-controlled wallet is very easy to understand because this wallet enables you, the developer, to control key operations, to abstract the concept of blockchain. So to make this easy for you to understand is you can build embedded wallet application where your users don't even understand what they are using to transact. They just see like their digital dollar in the mobile application, and they are doing transaction. It could be peer-to-peer transaction, it could be AI agent peer-to-peer transaction, it could be other fun use cases that you can think of. But dev-controlled wallet enables you to build this application easily, and you can connect to the APIs, which I'll show you where to find all the resources. And you can either create an externally owned account, a dev-controlled wallet, or a smart contract account, dev-controlled wallet. And the difference is that with the smart contract account, dev-controlled wallet, you can tap into our gas station to sponsor blockchain network fees. So for this hackathon, you're expected to work with the dev-controlled wallet, and all the resources that you need, I'm going to share that with you. And if you scroll down to the technology access, you can click on this link and it will take you to our developer documentation for the SDKs, which is the dev-controlled wallet SDKs. And also you can also interact directly with the REST APIs, making direct API calls to the infrastructure using our APIs, which you can use to support wallet management, transactions, and automation. So that's the wallet that you can work with in this hackathon. And because this hackathon wants you to really innovate, you are free to use third-party wallet management services that is supported on Arc. So we want you to think really innovative here, and we don't want to limit you in terms of access. So if there are third-party wallet infrastructure that's supported on Arc that you find really useful and you find you're connected with, you can use that to build for this hackathon. So go back to my slide, and CCTP. So CCTP is the next primitive that you're expected to build with in this hackathon, or that you can tap into to offer cross-chain liquidity solutions in your applications. And the way CCTP works is that we have CCTP in two versions, which is the standard transfer and also the fast transfer. So the standard transfer offers 15-minute transaction finality, right? It's not quite fast compared to the fast transfer, and the fast transfer offers faster than finality transactions. So you can use either one of those using the CCTP. And the way CCTP works is that CCTP lets you move USDC from one chain, which is known as the source chain, to the destination chain. So here's how it works. You initiate a transfer on a user application that is powered by CCTP to initiate transfer of USDC to a destination chain. So there's a source chain, there's also a destination chain. So you initiate a transfer, and right in the middle you fetch the attestation where Seco observes and attests to the burn event on the source chain. And with fast transfer, the attestation is available immediately, right? But with standard transfer, you have to wait for some time, which you can check our developer documentation to know the time that the time for each supported blockchain. So, and after that, you can complete the transfer. And the way you complete the transfer is that your app uses the attestation that is being gotten in this stage to mint USDC on the recipient chain, which is the destination chain. And also CCTP offers hooks that allows you to add perform additional operations that you can trigger automatically. So the next primitive that you build with in this hackathon is gateway. And a way to understand gateway is on the left side, you can see something known as fragmented liquidity, which means you have USDC on multiple blockchains. And with gateway, you can consolidate all those blockchains, right, into what is known as a unified balance. And with a unified balance, your user don't have to worry about what chain they're on. They don't have to think about anything. All they do is they can transact, right? And for this hackathon, you can build a lot of use cases that is being supported by this unified balance. And it's a primitive that enables unified balance, and it unlocks on-demand liquidity and redefine cross-chain user experience. And gateway supports a lot of features that makes it easy to build with: instant access, effortless scale, and also non-custodial, where your user have full control of their USDC, and the funds only move with their signature, and withdrawals are trustless. So these are the core primitives that you're expected to build with in this hackathon: wallet, USDC, CCTP, and gateway. And I'll navigate back to the documentation so we walk through the challenge and what you can build in this hackathon. So you're expected to build intelligent real-world applications where AI drives decisions and Arc executes them with USDC. And your mission is to build an AI-powered solution on Arc using USDC, and your project must deliver a working prototype with these innovations. It's really important that your project delivers a working prototype, because you're going to be judged on the viability of the prototype that you're submitting. So your submission should include a working prototype, a clear problem-solving purpose, clean, maintainable code. It's really important that you submit clean, maintainable code, because your applications, the judges will be going through your submissions, how maintainable and how clean your code is and how easy it is to understand. And on top of that, you're expected to build usable user interfaces that would communicate the solution that your application is providing, that will communicate the problem solving that you figured out into your project, and how that would solve the problem that you intend to solve with this application. And there are numerous tracks. There are three tracks that you can get on. You can get on chain action, where you create AI agents that autonomously interact with DeFi protocols like swaps, lending, or liquidity rebalancing. Also payment for reward assets to enable recurring or conditional USDC payment for tokenized assets like real estate, treasury management, or supply chain settlement. Also payment for content, right? You can design AI native payment flows for creators, including micropayment, tipping, or subscription models for generative content. And like I said, the primitives that you need to be able to build these use cases, to be able to build for one of these tracks are wallet, USDC, CCTP, and gateway. So wallet to enable our user store and hold the funds, CCTP to enable cross-chain liquidity from one chain to another chain, and you can abstract a lot of complexity with CCTP, and also a lot of liquidity management with CCTP. And gateway also allows you to provide a unified balance for your application. So to give you an example, with gateway, you can say you're building a payment for content application. You can let the user receive payment from multiple blockchains, right, that settles on Arc, and they don't have to think of where the payment is coming from because it's all abstracted into that unified balance with gateway. That's a good example of something you can build with for this hackathon, and you can submit a challenge for. So moving on, technology access, I've talked about that. Circle developer controlled wallet, Arc, which is the EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain, where all transactions settle on an Arc settles and all transactions settle on Arc with USDC as native gas. And optional technologies include CCTP for seamless USDC transfers across blockchains for cross-chain agent use cases, and also gateway gateway as well. So in terms of developer resources that you need to be able to build for this hackathon, I'll show you where to find all our resources. So navigate to developers.circle.com, right? And right here, you can see that if you want to learn more about USDC, you can click on this USDC section. If you want to learn more about wallet, you can click on the wallet section, CCTP, and gateway. And each of these sections goes into details with sample code, sample applications that you can look at, that you can learn from to be able to build for this hackathon. And I really recommend that you take your time to go through the technical implementation, the technical understanding of how all these primitives work, and that would help you submit a viable application, that will help you submit a viable project for this hackathon. And lastly, before I go, another resource that you can use to learn effectively and generate code for your application is to build with our AI. So we have this AI tool that is embedded in the Circle developer documentation that allows you to get quick, accurate code snippets to be able to build specifically on Circle more efficiently. So I'll click on the link, and all you can do is you can collaborate, you can put in your prompt right here, and that will generate code to build with CCTP, for example, and that would generate all the sample code that you need. So saying what source and destination chain am I planning to use? I can say Base and Ethereum, right? I can say Base and Ethereum, for example, and it will generate relevant code. It will review all the APIs, SDKs that is needed to be able to write that sample code. If you are stuck and you need to find answers, I would really recommend that you build with our AI to get detailed answers, to get well-trained, accurate code that would help you build efficiently for this hackathon. So you can see that the AI has generated accurate sample code to be able to build with CCTP, and this is how you can get answers fast for this hackathon. This is how you can get sample codes fast for this hackathon. And I really recommend and encourage that you use this to be able to submit a working prototype. So you can take your time to go through all other information that are necessary for you to understand as you build and submit for this hackathon. My name is Blessing. You can see I'm one of the judges, and I'll be able to answer any of your questions. I'm available on Discord, so you can ping me. I'm happy to support you and answer and help you build for this hackathon. We can go over your use cases together, and I can help you test your code, generate code, and also look at any bugs and issues that you might run into alongside my other colleagues who will be present on Discord as well. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best as you submit a working prototype for this hackathon. Thank you. Bye.